Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we'll learn applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. Exercise 12.1. Applications of trigonometry exercise 12.1. So in that we will see now sixth problem. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the objects? Okay, this is the problem. Now we need to solve this. How to solve? We will see now. Okay. So first read the problem. Based on that, draw diagram. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters. So building height is 6 meters. That is the meaning. Building height is 6 meters. So draw one building like this. 6 meters height. Okay, next. To a target. So you are shooting, see here. You are shooting a target on the ground. Let us think this is the ground. This is ground. Building. From this top of building to a some target. So on the ground some target is there. Some target is there. From the top of the building you are shooting like this. To the target you are shooting like this. That is the meaning of this sentence here. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building. From this top of a building you are shooting. Okay. Height of the building is how much? 6 meters. To a target on the ground. So on the ground some target is there. The target you are shooting from the top of the building. Then he said that at an angle of depression 60 degrees. You are shooting now here. From this top you are shooting no. Here he said that angle of depression is 60 degrees. Angle of depression means what? How to mark this? We have to mark one horizontal line like this and take here 60 degrees. That is the meaning of angle of depression. Angle of elevation means we have to mark somewhere here. Okay. Angle of depression 60 degrees. So for this ground we have to mark one horizontal line and take 60 degrees there. That is nothing but angle of depression. What is the distance between you object? So here target is there. You are standing here, top of the building. This distance is asking. distance is asking. Okay, let us give the name A, B, C. So now we need to find AC. AC answer we need to find. That is nothing but distance between you to the object. Distance between you are standing here and you are shooting, to this object you are shooting. So this distance is asking. Okay, nothing but AC answer we need to find. Okay, suppose here if it is 60 degrees, then this is also 60 degrees only. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. If it is 60, then we can take this also 60. Okay, yes. So what you can do here, let us mark here E. See, observe here, angle ECA equals to angle CAB equals to 60 degrees. Both are equal 60 degrees. This angle ECA, okay, CAB, both are equal to 60 degrees. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. Why it is equal? These two are parallel lines. EC is parallel to AB. See here, EC, this line is parallel to AB line, and this is a transversal. AC is transversal. These two will be alternate interior angles, equal. Okay, that is a concept there. Okay, next we have to find AC answer. We have to find now AC answer. For that, what we can do, we can apply sin 60. Sin 60 degrees. Sin formula is what? Opposite. Okay, you take theta first. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta means what? 60. Opposite means what? BC. Hypotenuse AC. Sin 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. BC how much is given? 6. AC we need to find. Do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, how much you will get? AC into root 3 equals to 6 into 2. AC equals to 12 by root 3. 12 how to write? 3 into 4 by root 3. 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3 we can write into 4 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Answer is what? 4 root 3. Here I wrote 3 as root 3 into root 3. We can write like this. See, 3 root 3 into root 3. This is nothing but root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. Answer is 3. So because of this we can write like this. Root 3 get cancelled. This both you can cancel. Remaining root 3 will be there, 4 will be there. So 4 root 3 is the answer. AC 4 root 3. AC 4 root 3. Therefore, the distance between you and the object, therefore the distance between, okay, you means let us take me. Okay, the distance between now you and the object equals to 4 root 3 meters. Instead of you can take me. Okay, the distance between me and the object. So he said that suppose you are standing down. You are standing means I am standing here, like that. Okay. So the distance between me and the object is 4 root 3 meters. That's it. Okay. Thank you.